This tutorial will show you how to create a wiki, set options, and grade student contributions. All course members can create pages and offer comments. Before I begin, I want you to be aware that I'm working in course sites, so I can showcase some of the new changes that are coming in our Summer 2014 Blackboard update. In your content area, you will want to scroll down to the folder where you want to include your wiki. This can be a module or a folder. And then from the Tools menu, create a wiki. We're not providing a link to the wiki page. We're going to be creating a new wiki. Provide a title and a brief description. Make sure your wiki is available and open to editing and commenting. You can choose whether or not your wiki is graded or not graded, as well as how many times students have to save the page in order to get to that needs grading icon. Always provide a due date. And if you wanted to add a rubric to your wiki, this is where you would do that. You can either select a rubric you have already created, create a new rubric, or you can create from an existing rubric. Then click Submit. The new wiki appears on the wiki's listing page, and they appear in alphabetical order. You can choose to link to the wiki page, which is not a best practice, or you can link directly to the wiki. Then select Next. Here is the wiki. Make sure that it is available. You can have your date restrictions, track numbers of view if you choose, then click Submit. Here is my wiki page now in the content area where my students can find it with this learning module. It's always a good idea to start off your wiki with a page. So I'm going to go ahead and click in my wiki, and I'm going to create the wiki page for my students. Now here is that wiki page, and every student can come in and edit the wiki content, or they can make comments on the content that is already there. When students come in and add their content, you can see it all on this wiki site, and you can also look at the history of your wiki. This was the first version, and this is what has been added. You can always track the versions. In order to grade, all you have to do is click on Participation and Grading. Click on the student name, and in the new Blackboard, you'll recognize that this inline grading feature exists, and so now I can give that student the points that she has earned. And that is how you can create and grade a wiki in your class.